My name is Anagha Vashishtha and I'm studying biological systems engineering and I'm in my 4th year. In my 11th and 12th, I studied physics, chem, math, biology and English. And then I applied to a lot of different universities. I was not sure about wanting to go abroad, so I only applied to Canada, UBC and U of T, and I got into both of them with very good merit scholarships. My mother is a doctor and my father is a software engineer. So when people asked me to make the choice in 10th, are you doing computers or are you doing medicine? Everybody expected me to say engineer or doctor. And I could never choose between them because I really love both these subjects. So when I saw that Plaksha University is offering us the opportunity to mix both of them and do an interdisciplinary engineering degree, I jumped at the opportunity and it was the only place I applied to, and I'm very grateful that I got in. We do multiple projects every semester, so over the last 7-8 semesters. The first one being investigation of PTMs, which are post-translational modifications in homologous recombination proteins. The name is very long. We are trying to write a paper on investigating a certain type of modification in repair proteins and how it affects DNA binding, which will have implications in a lot of areas such as cancer. Then Signals of Trust is an independent study I'm doing where I'm trying to see how doctors or other clinicians interact with AI and how AI can support their decision making and their diagnostic skills. And the last one, we submitted an abstract to the American Society of Engineering Education, and it was just accepted a few days ago. And through that, how can we influence AI structures, which is now currently coded only with the Western framework, and how that will help us in frameworks such as healthcare, but also in other fields. My last summer, 2024, I worked at Gina HealthX. It is a German company. My role was a genomic database development intern, and we worked on personalized treatment for non-small cell lung cancer. So we worked on finding different RNA guides and how we can do targeted therapies for this kind of cancer. Most recently, this summer in 2025, I worked at a company called Dognosis in Bangalore. It's a startup where I was a biological systems and applied research intern, and we focused on basically dogs can detect cancer through their sense of smell. So how do we automate that with the help of AI? And our dogs have a very high sense of accuracy. So we were also looking at their genome and seeing if there's something different in the olfactory genes of these dogs compared to other dogs. How can they smell cancer and how we can use this to detect cancer early in Indian patients. So I have been accepted to study, do a research internship actually at UCBM, which is a university in Rome, under the chair of the biomedical engineering department. This particular internship is through Plaksha. I'll be working on AI healthcare technology and an engineering-based research internship for a few months. Currently, I'm also applying to master's programs globally. Thank you so much.